we got a lot going on right now. We got stuff all over the yard. The AC guys have pulled out all the ductwork. It's laying over here. With all the vehicles and people moving around, we just don't got room for all this stuff to be lying around.
It's nasty. Look at that.
All right, so you can see we actually already have the air handler set up out here, ready to go. So it's been nice to work in this space right here.
And you know, we don't often get to see the actual air handler because it's in a tight space or it's up in the attic. And we always do something a little bit extra. We're doing something with a UV light. Tell us about
Correct,
that.
yeah. You're essentially going to protect the coil from mold formation. So you put a UV light inside of the coil, and so the UV light keeps the air clean. So it's actually a protection for air quality. As you're breathing, you're not getting that particulate matter and the mold and things like that.
Right, if mold grows on your coil, it's blowing off and it's going throughout the home. Now, the installation is not completely done, is it? This doesn't belong here, right?
Yeah, it's not completely done. In fact, this part is now so easy, you could probably even do this part.
Well, you're saying that I can actually install the AC?
You can jump right in.
So what do I got to do? Just kind of crank it?
You just start cranking it. We're going to lift it right up into the ceiling.
Look at that. Look at that. And they say that I don't do any work on this show. I just installed the AC. Listen, but that's only half of it. The rest of it's outside. That's where the compressor is, and that's what we want to take a look at next.
Yeah. Yep.
Let's do it. So this is the unit that everybody's familiar with. It sits outside the house. It houses the compressor. Tell us about this particular Goodman unit.
This heat pump is going to match up with the indoor unit, the air handler we just looked at. It's going to match perfectly to deliver the maximum efficiency. And we're replacing a 10-year-old unit, so hopefully this is going to lower their monthly bills and make things a little easier that way.
How about installation?
You know, and a qualified contractor like AC Warehouse is going to take care of all of that for us.
Well, we've got the best crew in the business, and I know they're, you know, chomping at the bit to get this installed, so I think we should get out of their way, right?
Agreed.
I can't wait to see this bad boy installed.
Thanks.
All right, let's go hang out.
It's a scorcher. You know what's worse than heat and humidity? When your home's air conditioning breaks down.
Oh, no.
That's when they call me, an independent Goodman dealer.
Thank goodness.
I'll install a new, energy-efficient, refreshingly affordable Goodman air conditioner. When your home feels like it's the hottest place on earth, it's good to know there's a local Goodman dealer nearby.
Daddy's home.
Hey!
Mom Day.
Thank goodness for Goodman.
Okay, so apparently here's what we got. There's something up there that's so big that even the cats won't mess with it. I'm gonna take the first watch. I got exterminator duty. Here we go.